How to share a Facebook page link. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll show you how you can share your Facebook page link. It's really simple. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Facebook or Facebook Lite application on your mobile device. Simply launch it and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account as well. Now tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner from the home page. Scroll down and then go to the Pages section that you will usually find below the live videos. Now tap on the page, and once it is opened, tap on the three dots beside the like button. Once you do that, you will see the option of Copy Link to Page in the bottom of the screen. Simply tap on it and you can see the indication that it has been copied to my clipboard. Now you can paste this link anywhere you like. So this basically lets you share it directly on Facebook with your friends wherever you paste the link. So most of you probably want to copy the link, so that's how you can do it. So if this helped, please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.